In this video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your HP DeskJet 2827E. There's a few different places where you can check for any jam paper, so this is what I'll do now. Step number one, once you get the E4 error over here, which means paper jam, or maybe you don't even get the error, but you see that something is wrong with your printer, go ahead and disconnect it from the power source. No matter if it's turned on or off, it doesn't matter. Simply unplug this cable. We don't want to play with our fingers inside of the printer while it's plugged into the power. Once you've done this, the first place I suggest you checking is right over here. You're going to go there, you're going to open this small trap, and you're going to check inside for any stuck paper. If you see something wrong there, take a pair of tweezers or your fingers and extract it. If everything seems fine inside, okay, go ahead, close this. And the second place I want to show you is under the printer. So you're going to flip it on its back. Just like that. And I don't know if you see, but this is a panel that is removable. It's actually made for any paper jam. To remove it, okay, these are clips that you need to push down, just like that. And it will open. There's a good chance that there's a paper that is stuck over here. So go ahead and extract it. Don't forget to close this panel. And finally, the last place where you can check for any paper jam is where the paper input is. So remove any paper, open this flap, and open that one as well, and check inside. Sometimes these rollers are not working properly and the paper gets jammed inside, and with your fingers you'll be able to take it out. Especially if it came crooked inside, it will get jammed right over here. Once this is done, you simply have to plug back this printer to the power source and the error should disappear itself. Okay, let me go over here and I'll plug it. Once it's plugged, press the power button. Okay, keep it pressed 2 seconds. Wait, and the printer will power on by itself. It will take around 2 minutes before it's capable of printing anything. And the error message should disappear. If you still have the error message, it simply means that the paper jam is not completely fixed. What you can do is, while the printer is turned on and it's plugged, okay, in this position, you're going to go and open this trap again. And you see that's the carriage with all the ink cartridges. If this carriage is not able to slide left and right properly on its rails, it will give you this paper jam error. So at this point, take a look, okay, and since the carriage moved, maybe there's some stuck paper on this corner over there. If you see anything, okay, don't put your fingers while the carriage is moving, but you can go ahead. You see it went back to its place. Close the lid, open, and when the carriage will slide again in this position, go ahead and remove whatever paper is stuck in that corner, or maybe in the other corner. And if the error is still persistent, remove the ink cartridge, okay, like this. Remove the other one as well. Check if there's anything stuck under it, over there, or on the print head. It's very rare, but check this out. And then install everything and it should be working once again. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink cartridges, some paper for this printer, or even a brand new printer if you're frustrated with this model. Anyway, see you in the next one.